Hello, good morning and welcome. It's Monday, the 12th of June, and we'll start as ever with the AUD USD. We've had three red candles on this. It looks overdone. It's at resistance. It might just have another little pop up long, but it seems to have run out of steam as far as I'm concerned. I think it should be held by the 76 level. We've got fairly stiff resistance there. So I'm looking for this to short. I have only small positions on it. If it pops up to the 76, I might go heavy. It's already bounced off resistance on the RSI. And the stochastic is starting to look a little bit down, so we'll just see how that goes. Euro, New Zealand dollar. Well, the New Zealand dollar has longed, and this has given us a fabulous result, a nice trend down here on the Euro New Zealand dollar. We're starting to see a little bit of weakness now in the New Zealand dollar. The pair New Zealand dollar US dollar, we've seen the strength in the New Zealand dollar. It seems to be coming to a little bit of an end now, so really I don't know quite where this is going. I'm best out of it. I think it's down to oversold here. I was thinking maybe it might be the first of the euro pairs to come and close the gap, but it's looking a little bit dangerous. Yeah. Euro USD, we've seen this has had quite a few surges. The surges have sort of stepped back a little bit. We're excessively short on the commitment of traders. We're at the mid-Bollinger Band. The RSI is it's in the upper half, but I'm thinking this is going to shoot down now. There doesn't seem to be a lot more strength in it. So maybe towards Wednesday, I think we're going to be looking for some long red candles. Likewise on the Japanese yen. Sorry, put it on a daily chart. This has had quite a few surges up, and it's been held by 126,700 across the top here. That's been resistance. It's tried a few times to get back up over the last 4 trading days. I think it's going to follow on through down through the 23, and that'll be the end of it for this pair. I reckon it's going to come down. Pound Australian dollar. I got into this last week. I see really good potential here for a massive, and we'll put it on a daily chart even. I think there's going to be really good potential here for a massive swing on this pair. The fundamentals generally for the pound are far better than the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar is due a good crash. It's been far too high for far too long. So this pair I'm really pleased to be in, and I think it's going to follow through long up here. So we'll see how that goes. S&P 500 back Friday and today we've got a couple of really small red candles on it. We've had this divergence again. This is the candles, and this is the RSI. There isn't a very steep angle on this, but it does show sentiment, and the sentiment on this now is towards the downside. So I can't really see any evidence of that slowing up, but I think when it shoots down, it'll shoot down big time. USD JPY. We are looking for this to short. We've come down recently and we've closed the gap, this gap over here, and we've had a little bounce from that, but the commitment of traders is nearly 2 to 1 long the Japanese yen. So although they did add some shorts this week, uh, probably for this three green candles that we've got here. I am expecting by next Tuesday for that position to have reversed, and yeah, I'm looking for this to short from here. So there you go. The Mexican peso. Uh, yes, I am looking for the dollar to long and the Mexican peso to short, and we've had even more shorts added this week, and we've lost some of the longs. So I think I got into this a little bit early, but the commitment of traders is going with me, so hopefully we will get that sorted out. And now we're on to the euro pound, the euro GBP. Um, Same story again, really. We've seen this surge on the euro. We've also seen the weakness on the pound. I've got a trade here in at the top. So I'm looking for this to short. And I'm pretty sure, we won't have to wait too long to see this first green candle here fall. So we'll be looking at that during the week. USD Canadian dollar. The commitment of traders have added shorts this week, and that's the way I feel about the Canadian dollar. The oil price is going down. No real good news, basically fundamentally for the Canadian dollar. But we do have some good news for the US dollar. So I'm long this. I've got knocked out of my bottom trade. Might just put another one in. Well, we'll see how that goes today. Silver, we have another red candle today. The commitment of traders was more bearish this pair on Friday. So I'm looking for this to follow on through. I'm hoping to get 1,000 pips out of it. I hope it does. Same with the oil. The commitment of traders, even though we've had this drop here in the price of oil, the commitment of traders actually increased their shorts. So I am looking for this to follow through. This is like the third day now bouncing across support, and I kind of think it's just going to break the support. I know quite a few people who've actually got out here, but I'm going to hold because I've put a wow, that's disappeared. Hang on a second. If you put where it broke last time, there we go. That is a support on the RSI. I would really love this to come down and touch that support. I'm going to move this trend line over so it observes the little bump that we had there. There you go. So I've moved the trend line over and I've put support on here, and we'll just see what happens. That's should be a bit of fun. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Thanks for your subscriptions and your likes, much appreciated, and hopefully see you again tomorrow. Cheers now. Bye.